Hey guys, it's Cook with Ada here again, and today we are going to be making some oat banana pancakes. So, as usual, I am going to be listing everything down in the description box, all the things that I used. So, just go ahead and watch, and when you're ready to make this recipe, just go get a screenshot of my description box. And yeah, so I put in two large bananas, and I'm putting in my eggs. Of course, you mix everything together. And after that, I am adding my 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I am adding my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm going ahead to add my 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then this flour, this oat, I blended it in my um blender, and then I am going to be adding that in and mixing everything together. In this mixture, you can actually decide to add some berries, if you're like, you like berries, to actually make it sweeter, but the banana actually did a good job. And then you're going to be adding some oil in a pan, and you scoop them in. And by the way, you do not need this much oil in yours if you want. So you can just use a spray oil. Let's say you're trying to get away from oil or anything that you can have. And then I'm going to gently turn it. It was actually a struggle to turn this, but it came out nice. I was able to flip that over and it came out nice. And then of course we are going to do the same process until we are done cooking all the mixture that we have. Then after everything, you're going to add in some maple syrup or any pancake syrup of your choice. Slice some banana in, and here you have your perfect pancake. It tasted so amazing. You guys try it out and let me know, and make sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.